Today, we'll break down everything you need to know about getting your DOT and MC numbers. If you're looking to hit the road legally and get your trucking business rolling, you've come to the right place. First up, let's talk about the DOT number. If you're operating a commercial vehicle that weighs over a certain amount, carries a specific number of passengers, or hauls hazardous materials across state lines, you'll need this number. It's basically your vehicle's ID in the world of commercial transportation. Now, how do you get it? Well, it involves filling out a detailed form that asks for information about your business, the type of vehicles you operate, and how you plan to use them. This process can be quite detailed, so it's important to get it right. And who better to help you with that than FMCSA Registration.com? We've helped countless drivers and carriers just like you get on the road quickly and efficiently. On to the MC number, which is a bit of a different beast. This number is specifically for those who plan to operate as a for-hire carrier transporting regulated commodities or passengers across state lines. It's a must-have if you're planning on running an interstate business. The process for obtaining an MC number is a bit more involved than the DOT number. It requires additional paperwork and even a bit of cash to cover the filing fee. But don't worry, FMCSA Registration.com is here to guide you through every step of the way, ensuring you have everything you need to get approved without a hitch. Getting these numbers isn't just about filling out forms, it's about making sure you're compliant with federal regulations. This is crucial for avoiding hefty fines and other legal troubles. The forms can be complex, and errors can delay your ability to start hauling freight. This is why many trucking professionals choose FMCSA Registration.com to handle the process. We know the ins and outs of the paperwork and can help ensure nothing gets missed. Another thing to keep in mind is the ongoing compliance requirements after you get your DOT and MC numbers. Having these numbers means you'll need to keep up with safety audits, vehicle inspections, and record keeping. Staying on top of these requirements will help you maintain a clean record and prevent costly violations down the road. So, why wait? If you're ready to start your journey in the transportation industry, make sure you've got everything you need. Visit FMCSA Registration.com or call us at 866-477-0707 to get your DOT and MC numbers sorted out. We'll make sure you're ready to hit the road with peace of mind. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, drive safe and keep on trucking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insights and tips from the world of trucking. See you on the road.